Hey guys, welcome to my another video. So yesterday I was looking to make a chatbot in Flask, right? And I go to this website, which is Langchain AI, the most powerful, I guess, library it is for now. And it has different things. You can see the components, the integration parts. You can see the retrieval section, the tools, agent chains, etc., etc., prompts, LLMs, chat models, all are included in that. So in the use case part, in the use cases section, you can see there is a chatbot section in that under the use case section. So this code is only for the Colab notebook or some um, notebooks, right? It's a step-by-step conversation. But I need a proper web app to make this happen. Like user can really chat like a chatbot. This was the code, the straight code I get, and I convert this whole code into a Flask app so I can run this code, like chat with chatbot, a web app. So this is part one because I'm using a Tivoli tool for the internet search, and in the second part uh, I will add the retrieval section in that thing. All right. So first of all, we'll look at the first part, which is the internet search and the chatbot, right? So first of all, the main thing is we should have to install this pip install Langchain and Langchain OpenAI, and the second part is the env file. You should have env file to protect your API keys. Okay, I have API keys in my .env file. I'm not opening that. Okay, so here I define the API keys by using the load.env in Flask, and the first part after the API keys is to define the chat model, which model you are using. So I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo 1106, and after this, after the declaring the model, the second step is to add a prompt template. Yes, this I take reference from this section, tool usage. Yes, because I have to declare the tool, right? So this is the tool. We are using the Tivoli search results. Tivoli search is for uh, is like a searching from the internet, like Google or Bing. So after that, the second thing is the prompt. I copy this and paste into this. Right after that, declaring the agent, which kind of agent I'm using. I'm using OpenAI tool agents, and this will accept three parameters: the LLM, the chat model, the tool, and the prompt. And all three things we are created. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. All right. After that, we create an agent executor from that. We copy this whole thing. Yeah, this we did. Then we just copy this whole section and add it here. All right. Now, here comes the Flask. First, we create a simple route. The chat.html, I'm using it on the default port number is 5000, and if you see localhost 5000, it will open us this page, this chatbot, this chat.html page. All right, and in that, what I did is this simple code. I just add in that Flask code to make the conversation, to make the chat in conversation, in flow, not by step, step by step. All right. So you will see in any other video these steps, like these parts are running in steps. These are not running in like in one single flow. All right, in one run, they are running in steps. So this conversation agent executor dot invokes will get two parameters. The first input and the second is configurable, which is the session ID, right? For the history thing. So what I did is, first user input, the user will add the message here, like hello. We will send this, right? I will show you. And to contain the session, we use the dot append message, like uh, first user will chat, first user will send message hello, and then it will come back as the response. And this, you can see this agent, this is the line I'm talking about. We are using this line only in Flask route to make this all the steps in one flow. So input dictionary, right? Input the user message, all right, the user message here, and the configurable session ID, which is the session ID. Session ID is this. All right, and after that, first the user message will append, and then this the session has according to the session history, then the response message will append. So it will know why we are using this session, because it will know the previous response we are talking about. All right, and the message will come back in the JSON format. Now I will show you how you can chat. So when you send, it will say hello, and there it's the response. Now I will say, tell me about Langchain. Tell me about Langchain. Tell me about important points. Tell me Langchain. Let's, and here you can see the agent is start working with the tool. Let me show you this. First I say hi there, how can I assist you, then it give me a 200 status code, and then it will again start the, I say what will be the query I ask, the Langchain, about the Langchain. It focus on the main word Langchain, right? And in, you see it will start the tool. All right, Twilly search result JSON, the Twilly tool, which is the internet searches tool, and it will give me this, these points. And you see here are the some points in the bullets. This is the first bullet, right? And this is the second one. Langchain offers a complete set of powerful block building blocks for building, etc., etc. Advanced applications. It offers tools in QA for doc summarization, copilots, workflow automation. Wow, that's great. And here we are. We have also a link. You can go to that page. Here you can see the Langchain docs, and here they are, all the documentation here, right, for the reference. So that's how you can easily make your own chatbot. You just have to make this. I will share this code with you. This is the first part, and I will show you this HTML code. This is the chat messages will depend here. This is the div, all right, and here is the submit send button, and I use some JavaScript. This is for when it comes some kind of link in response, then it shows me as a link, not as a text, right? You got me, I guess. And I just make a Ajax request in the JSON format, and I get this. So I hope you will like this video, and I will share this code with you in my description in the GitHub link, so you can check out this. This is the first part, and I am working in this second part, which is I want to use the retrieval part. That is the code I prepared for this retrieval section. Okay, and I'm still working on it, how to inject this into our chatbot. So when user have to retrieve chat with their own documents, not with the internet, he can user can chat with their own document. All right, and if user don't want to chat with their document, just want to search, then user can search by using the Twilio search. You can get the Twilio API key by here and search Twilio AI, and here you can sign in. Mm, I will do this thing, and here is my API key, so you can copy that and bring it in your code. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye.